What's up guys, it's your girl Charice. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm sorry about the lighting. So situation, I'm back at home because of the Rona, so I have to make do with what I have. So I'm in my childhood room, if you couldn't tell. Childhood. I'm gonna work with the background and everything, but right now this is the only place I can film. But today I wanted to do a review video because I want to support black businesses, but specifically my homegirl Raki here on YouTube has released a lip gloss line, and of course I had to cop one. I'm doing an unboxing and a swatch and on lips and all that kind of stuff. By the way, this is clearly my first time reviewing a beauty product, so forgive me. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I will leave all her links down below. Also the product information. The lip gloss I got was Strawberry Shortcake, so I'm excited to try it. First of all, this packaging is everything. Like, can we talk? Let's open it. There's stuff. How much stuff is in here? Oh, cute. Came with 3 things and the actual lip gloss and stuff. I can't look at it. I don't want to look at it yet. So it comes with this little business card. I blinked. I was like, what is this? It's a business card. Duh. It says thanks for shopping at RueGloss. Get the scoop on the next launch and sign up today. RueGloss.com. Cute. Then we've got my invoice. And then this is cute because the Rona's out here, and it says, let us do the dirty work. Rest assured that every product is handmade with the utmost care and thorough sanitation process. Here at Rue Gloss, your safety and health matters to us. We thank you for shopping at Rue Gloss. So I'm gonna put that right there for you to see. I'm so excited. Okay. This is... Stop. Okay, stop it right now. Oh my, stop. This is so pretty. Oh my god, the bits of straw. Rakiyah, stop. Okay, let me try to give you a close-up of, do you see those bits of strawberries? Like, I'm dying. And then there's the Rue Gloss label on there. Okay, so the lip gloss is $12, and I can see why the packaging itself is worth $12. Before I get actually into the review, I'm gonna try to be as unbiased as possible, but I can't make any promises because this is homegirl Raki we're talking about here. Oh, she's right. Okay, so something that she said in one of her Instagram lives is that she made the stopper, like she stretched it out, because you know how like with most lip glosses with like the stoppers, they kind of like take off a lot of product. She stretched it out where you got more products. I totally see that. Like, watch. Hopefully you can see. Can you see? Okay, watch. Like, how much product is on there? Look how much. That's crazy. Wait, I can smell it. I didn't even have it out that long, and I could smell that. Let's take a smell. Ooh, it smells like coconuts. That smells so good. Wow. Now I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. So there's like one swipe of it on my hand. As you can see, hopefully you can see it. All right, now that we've done the hand swatch, now let's see what it looks like on the lips. I don't have anything on my lips except Vaseline, but that dissolved a while ago. All right, I'm gonna use my mirror over here. It smells so good. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait. Oh, shoot. Stop it. Oh my god. Ooh, okay, with my light, it's... Stop. This is so good. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to do a close-up of it. As you can see, excuse my acne, it's very glossy, obviously. I'm in love with this lip gloss. Okay, newsflash. I don't like lip glosses that much. I don't wear lip glosses that much, but this is gonna change my mind forever. It's not super sticky. You know how most lip, it smells so good. This is not one of those lip glosses. It's the shine. Do you see the shine? Like, yeah. Is there anything Raki can't do? Like, she can sing, she can dance, she can make YouTube videos. She just never disappoints. Oh shoot, I forgot to get makeup remover. Okay, now that we've tried it on the lips alone, which I'm here for, I might have to just wear it on its own. But what I like to typically do with lip glosses is put them over top of lipsticks. So I have 3 red lips that I want to test out today. I still have the swatch on my hand. Like, what? Let's see, what should we do first? Let's try this. So this is a NYX lipstick. I have never worn it, actually. This is in the color Chaos. First time trying it on my lips. Ooh, let's hope it's decent. Okay, this is a nice lipstick. Super creamy. Hold on. I'm gonna fix it, guys. I'm gonna fix it. Where's everything's a mess? Where's the cat? It's right there in front of my face. Not the best application on my end, but the lipstick is nice. Alright, let's see what Rue Gloss will do. It's already kind of glossy. Oh my, it smells so good. This lip gloss smells incredible. It just added a lot more shine. So my camera cut off. Fun. What I liked that this gave this lipstick a little extra shine. It was already kind of shiny, like glossy, shiny, glossy, but it added a little bit of shimmer because I don't know if you can see in this, but there's like a bit of red shimmers in it, and I think that's what really added to this. Okay, so let's try another NYX lipstick. This is in the shade Copenhagen, and this is actually a matte lipstick, but sometimes I want some glossiness. Okay, this is typically my go-to red. I didn't apply it that well. That's alright. Now we'll go back in with RueGloss and see how this looks on top. Yeah, you definitely get like a lot of product off of it. I can't get over the smell, man. Stop it. Oh my god, did I just, am I a genius? Because, oh, stop it. Okay, this combo, iconic. Hold on, let me zoom you guys in, y'all. Oh, oh my god, next level. Ooh, ciao. This is my new lip combo. These two right here. Iconic. Okay. So last but not least, I'm gonna try this water tint from I.T.I.D House. I don't know, I was like applying more on the bottom. It's been a while since I used this. I think it's because it's old, but yeah, this is just having fun at this point. And now, last but not least, let me do a close up for you guys. It looks nice in person. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I'm trying to put like that up so you can see. Didn't do the great job of applying, but it looks so nice. Excuse the flakes in my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, don't worry. So overall impression, this might be my new favorite thing. Like, I'm not even like fronting. I'm not just saying that because she's my fave, but this was actually high quality. Like, I was a little like $12 for a lip gloss. Ooh. But then the actual application, it looks good on top of lipsticks, and on its own it looks really nice. Out of 5 stars, I would actually give this 5 stars. The scent The scent is what really makes it pop off. Wait, I gotta smell it again. It smells so good. It's so pretty. So is it worth $12? Yes, I would say it's worth $12. You get high quality packaging. Raki, you outdid yourself. I knew it was gonna be good. I didn't know it was gonna be that good. I need a minute. How are you so good at everything? That's not fair to the rest of us who are like barely good at just one thing. Raki, sit down. Anyways, I'm obsessed. This has to be like my new fave thing. Go cop yourself a Rue Gloss. I'll leave the link down below of this specific one, and you can just shop and look at all the other lip glosses. Another reason why this would be worth your money is because it's vegan. I think it's what, like gluten-free. It lasts for like 6 months. This might be gone in like a week, honestly. She hand makes these herself. She hand makes these herself. If you want more information about it, go to the link in the description. But that is all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below. I'm thinking about ordering another one, but I don't know which one to order next. So if you guys have bought RueGloss already, let me know in the comments which one I should buy next. I was leaning towards key lime pie, but who knows. And don't forget to subscribe. I mean, if you're here, you might... Why does my wrist keep cracking? You might as well subscribe while you're here. I'm just saying. Again, I'm sorry about my appearance. This Rona got me messed up. I'll try to come back looking somewhat decent. Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, that was my first beauty video in like since like middle school, high school. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna be doing some more beauty videos, like beauty related videos. Ooh, a channel switch up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time, whenever that will be. Bye. Been asking for you all day. I wonder will you show up? Come spend a little cutie.